Hello, in this video I want to show you how to leave a BIOS with or without saving settings in ASRock motherboard. To do this, first of course you will need to enter BIOS. Then inside, if you want to leave without saving, you can click on the discard changes right here in the easy mode. If you can't find it, then just click on this button right here to switch between those two different modes. And when you click on the discard changes, it won't save any changes and basically leave your BIOS. There's also F7 that you can press to do it the same way. And afterwards, if you want to save settings, then you can click on right here or F10 button on your keyboard. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.